Imagine a world where communication is stripped down to its essence. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by notifications? Minimalist phones are changing the way we connect. With sleek designs and essential features, they cut the noise. These devices focus on what truly matters, meaningful conversations. Forget the endless scrolling, it's all about real interaction now. Business owners, think about how this can impact your team dynamics. Communication is evolving, and it's about quality over quantity. Are you ready to embrace this trend in your business? Let's prioritize connection and clarity over clutter. Join the minimalist revolution and transform how you communicate.